What's up guys, this is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna give you a super deal with our brand new Masterson's mystery box. Now our mystery box is $49.99 and you get over $80 worth of product right in here. You might get a ceramic spray sealant, you might get a Carnauba wax, you might get a full-on detailing kit, you might get $200 worth of product, but every detailer that orders this box is gonna get guaranteed up to $80 worth of product. But if you want an even better deal, the huge deal, you gotta get the jumbo mystery box. And the jumbo mystery box comes with over $160 worth of detailing supplies, and you get this for $99. Plus, we give you free shipping right on this jumbo mystery box. Now, we're throwing in a special mystery box for a few custom orders that are gonna go through our website, mastersonswax.com, and a few lucky orders are gonna get over $300 worth of items in their mystery box. So do you think you're lucky? You wanna get on the mystery trend? Check it out. Go to our website, mastersonswax.com, and pick up a mystery box or the super jumbo mystery box. You never know what you're gonna get in a Masterson's mystery box.